Yeah, we got standing water. We got standing water all over the place out here. I've never seen this. Yeah, look at this. The whole driveway's underwater. I have never seen it flooded like this before. Good God. I gotta say, I've lived here my whole life. I've never seen anything like this before. Wow. Hey, Dad, look at this. It's all the way up to my ankles. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Man. Did they lose power? It's going crazy all over town. They got trees down. The backyard's okay. I checked the basement too. Mom's roof is dripping though. One of the lights is dripping water. Other than that, everything else seems okay. in her room, one of those little white ones. It was dripping. It wasn't bad, but I don't know.
Well, with the rain like that, but look, how much wind did we have?
Oh, dude, I thought we were gonna lose it there for a minute. I videotaped during the whole time. I mean, me and Mom freaking out. I thought we were gonna lose the north windows there because of the wind and hail.
I hope you shut the windows in the bed.
Yeah, I did, but it was kind of late. It was pretty wet. The windowsill by the time I closed it. And your fan was soaked, that little white one. I don't know what the hell that was, dude. I really don't.
Hey! Your ramp's still hooked up.